Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you about Python programming. Python programming is one of the most popular language nowadays, and many scientists and researchers are using this programming language because of its features and its applications that make it a very impressive language. When we talk about Python programming language, this language is actually a high-level language, and it provides you to create web applications, and also you can actually solve many mathematical problems with this language. In recent time, the Python programming language has become very popular because of its compatibility or the features that help us to solve many AI applications. It has been used in computer vision, machine learning problems, and also in deep learning problems. So this language is a very rich and a popular language. But on the other hand, this language is very simple compared to other programming languages. The syntax of Python programming is very simple. This language is platform independent. Once you create applications in Python, they can run on different platforms. This is the beauty of Python programming. In this lecture, I will be teaching you how to create your first Python program. So you can see the interface. I am using PyCharm software editor for this, but before this, what you have to do, you have to download and install Python from this python.org/downloads. There are many different versions of the Python, so you can actually install the version depend upon your requirement. There are many releases. So after downloading and installing this, you need an editor. I have installed this PyCharm Professional Edition, but you can install PyCharm Community Edition as well. On the other end, you can also download and install Anaconda as well. So from this interface, you can see that I have created one folder, one project, that is a Learn Python, and on this we create right click and create one file named we click on Jupyter Notebook. So what is the difference between Jupyter Notebook and a Python file? The extension of Jupyter Notebook is IPYNB, that is actually is a Python notebook file, and the extension of Python file is .py. Normally I use this Jupyter Notebook because it provides a cell by cell method that allows us to actually execute the cells independently. So I name this file as hello world, and you can see that this way the Python notebook file has been created. But here is the one message that it says that your Jupyter Notebook is not installed. So what we do, we click here, install Jupyter Notebook. So hope that it gets installed. Here you can see that it is getting installed. So we are waiting for the moment while it installs from online. Right, now you can see that we have installed Jupyter Notebook. It shows one message that Python 3.5 has reached its end of life date and it is no longer supported in PyCharm. So it is better to install the upgraded version of Python 3.6, 3.7 and onwards, so that it is supported with this. So here we actually change this Python 3.7 and now what we do, in this first cell we write print, and in double quotation we write hello world. So we save this and now we will run this cell. While running this cell, we can actually click on this link to actually execute this into browser. Now we click this hello world.ipynb file, that is actually is a notebook file. So now we click this and the hello world is printed. So in this first example you have actually learned how to actually create the program in a Python and run the program. So I hope that you have liked this video. For more videos, keep watching this YouTube channel and subscribe the channel for coming videos. Thank you so much.